This is a 1979 Dodge Adventure little red truck. And I videoed one of these before. I see them occasionally. And this one is new to this owner. Just got it a few weeks ago. Beautiful condition, 360 cubic inch engine, 4-barrel. A lot of the elements of the engine are part of the police package for the engine. This one has air conditioning, so it's just perfect for cruising any time of the year. These little red trucks were available with or without the bench seat. You have the bench seat, or you could have the bucket seats, and this one has the bench seat. There it is. Beautiful. Looks like it's just been upholstered. And here we have the dash with all the gauges, AM/FM radio. Looks like a little tack there on the right side. Automatic. Cab looks excellent. And now we have those twin stacks exhausts, and they certainly make the vehicle stand out. You notice we have gold pinstriping, something that the Warlock had, but more of. And we have those wooden pieces there on the side, and stake type attachments there that are made of oak. And that was the real thing. It wasn't just an oak veneer, it was real pieces of oak. Very interesting truck. Fairly expensive too. Back in the day it was between $7,000 to $8,000 depending on equipment. And I'm going to put a link here to the Allpar article about the little red truck, so you can find out all the significant points about that little red truck package.